Hello there. You are going to use Jupyter Notebook in this course. Jupyter Notebook is browser-based notebook with a lot of good features which you will explore during the course. In this lecture, you are going to install, download and start Jupyter Notebook. Let's begin. Before you start downloading Jupyter, you need to confirm whether you have 64-bit operating system or 32-bit operating system. On Windows platform, this is how you can confirm, and over here I have 64-bit. Simple way is go to Google and search for download Anaconda, and it will take you to www.anaconda.com. Make sure you click on Windows operating system right there, and even though I have 64-bit operating system, the safest bit is install 32-bit. 32-bit will work on 32-bit operating system as well as 64-bit operating system. Sometimes even with 64-bit operating system, you might have problem if you install 64-bit Anaconda. So that's why I'm going with 32-bit. Right there, agree, make sure you know where it is installing and click on install. It will take few seconds, maybe a minute or two, depends on your computer speed. Right here is installed, and now go to programs and you will see right there Anaconda. When the Anaconda opens, you will see your Jupyter Notebook option there. Just click on launch. Awesome. So this is Jupyter Notebook. It is showing all the Python and all the directives I have right there. If you are starting fresh, this will look blank to you. You will not see any directives there. Another way to open Jupyter Notebook is you can go to all programs, Anaconda, and right there you will find the Jupyter Notebook option. Click on that and it will open the same notebook. So this way you do not have to open Anaconda and go to Jupyter. You can directly open Jupyter Notebook. Very good. You are all set. You have your Jupyter Notebook downloaded and it's working. I will see you in next lecture.